father, felon, dropout, thug. These are all things that are bad connotations and, I was ashamed of at one point. These are labels that, as you see, kind of earned for myself. But the most beautiful thing in that chaotic, weird picture is the fact that being transparent and being honest with yourself and then other people about some of those labels that you may have earned for yourself could be the thing that actually sets you free. It doesn't make a lot of sense, but check this out. So as I was working my plan and as I, started thinking about the person that I wanted to be, I derailed myself. And you can see through my story that I had opportunities, to continue to grow and to continue to, go towards that future that I had set out for myself. And there were a lot of people that began to sow into me, but I didn't stick to, my core values, and I didn't stick to the picture of myself that I wanted to be. And being dishonest, not disclosing my past hurt me. And it ultimately probably hurt my company as well, because they had a worker that they had to get rid of because of their policy that, was making them some good money and doing the right thing. I don't want that to happen to you. When you're working your plan, you've got to be completely committed to the plan. And that includes being honest about, your past and being honest about the things that you've done that may have gotten you in the position that you are in right now. And as ugly as that may seem to you, as uncomfortable as that might seem to you, coming to grips with that and coming to, bringing that closure is a major catalyst and is critical in you continuing to grow. It almost stifled my growth, but I learned quickly that, putting that out there and being honest first and foremost actually made a company they saw it as something that was valuable, and they saw it as something that they can use. So when put in the right position and doing the right thing and continue to make steps in the right direction, even your past cannot hold you back. Even your past can be used as something that is a good thing, right? Another thing is me being honest and me being open really opened other doors for me. I wouldn't be the speaker that I am today if I wasn't honest about the things that I got into when I was young. I wouldn't have the same impact that I have right now when I go into places that, may need to hear the message of a person that turned their life around. If I wasn't vocal about, who I was, I can't really show you the journey that I took to become who I am today. So your past may not be the best. It may not be the brightest. It may not be a point that you're too proud of. I'm definitely not very proud of the things that I did in my past. But once you're able to look at those things and say, I'm not that person anymore, and then you can back that up with the actions and the plan that you've been doing and the fact that you've been walking on that path, then you can use that as power to continue to push you forward.